All right. Well, I did a small poll. This is just an update on the car. Everything looks good on the car. I don't think there's any leaks. Dry as a bone underneath. She is hot though. No leaks. I'll enter in a clip of what it was doing as soon as I backed in. Now, hopefully, we just have some fouled out plugs. Okay, and we're gonna check to see if there's oil in the car. There is. And you know, doing this with one hand isn't. We got oil. But yeah, I'm gonna put in that clip. We're gonna see, you know, you're gonna see what it was doing. But I want to see if I can get it in the garage. Might need to push it. That's crazy, bro. That's wild. As soon as I pull in the driveway, this thing takes a shit. All right, let's see if we can get any codes going. Dude, I am so glad I pulled into the garage. Yes. Oh, I love that sound. I love that sound. Throttle actuator control TAC system stuck open.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
P211. That's the code we got. Okay. At least we got a code. P211 is the code that we got. So, interesting. Nothing a quick Google search wouldn't hurt to see what that is about. So after some Google diagnoses, it looks like I've been getting some weird rev hangs recently on this car. Like, I was backing in, me and my wife were going on a date, and I was backing into a spot, and it held at like almost 3,000 RPMs until I like blipped the throttle again. So maybe that's it. But it looks like dirt old throttle body, faulty TPS, stuck throttle plate, replace the entire throttle body assembly. Yeah. So that's what we're working with. I don't think I'm gonna try to start it again, and let's see what it does. If that's the case, I'm gonna have to push it. Okay, it starts right up. P211 is my code. So I'm gonna go ahead and back this car up into the garage. All right, it's running decent now. I'm definitely gonna have to do something about that throttle body. And it's weird because I don't have any check engine lights, but when I go into the access port, intake, air temperature sensor, yes, I already know. I get that all the time. Evap system leak, I get that all the time. It's from that rear port on the back of the valve cover. But this is a new one, P211. Very interesting. I've never had a car do that. I'm glad I filmed a second of it. But yeah, very interesting. But yeah, it won't be here. This is just an update on the actual car itself. P211. And you want to know what's crazy is I'm looking at the car, right? Just from right here. This right here has blown off. Yeah, wow, okay. So that's something. I don't know if that's just crank pressure or what, but yeah. I did drive this through a monsoon. It was crazy. I'll put a picture or video clip of that in, but yeah, I drove it through a monsoon. Like it was like legitimately a tornado. And she held up with AC and the wipers, so that was cool. Quick little rain test in the car. First time using AC in 3 years with a vented hood. Let's get it. But yeah, P211 code. Something to do with my throttle body. We gotta diagnose that. After turning the car off and letting it sit, it seemed to perform fine. But I'm gonna do some more research to see if we're replacing the whole thing, or what I should do for this. If anyone's got the code, let me know. But yeah, interesting little problem. I've never gotten an engine fault code like this on this car. Especially turning, thank God I was turning into my driveway. Holy shit. I mean, that had no throttle, no nothing. Like, the entire car went into limp mode. Yeah, that was crazy. Actually crazy. So, thank God I was, like, in a good spot to have that happen. Like, literally backing into my driveway. But I think what I'm going to have to do is go ahead and I'm going to do all my spark plugs because it's about time. And oil change, flush everything, check my catch cans. Yeah, just the works, with the workaround for this thing, because that was a close call. The next thing is we got new wheels coming in for the car. I'm not getting rid of these. I sold the 3-piece wheels. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which I'll link somewhere here, if you follow me there, you know that I sold those wheels and I bought a new set. So if you're not familiar with them, I post them on Instagram. Again, follow there if you want to see them. But they are triple chrome, but they are a different style wheel than a 5-spoke. We got new wheels coming in. We got a engine bolt dress-up kit coming as well. What else do we have for this? I'm thinking about putting in new seats just to spice it up a little bit. But other than that, yeah, new wheels, engine dress-up bolt, and now we have to go ahead and dig into this throttle body P211 code. So that'll be fun. So next video, we'll see what we're doing. But yeah, just a quick update on the car and what's happening. Because, yeah, it's been a little bit. I do want to get out there on the back roads as well and drive this thing, you know. But it's just been so hot, and I hate dogging on my car when it's like 110 degrees outside. So, yeah, I don't know. I'll see if I can go like early morning or like later at night. I have an idea for a video too. I just need a car that I can chase. So we'll see if I can get that done. But that's a quick update on the car. It's been running pretty flawlessly up until this point. So unfortunately, you know, just want to give an update to say that the thing is broken again. But honestly, it's been running like smooth-ish up until, like, I've had no complaints with the car. So, you know, I can't be too mad, especially if it's something as simple as a throttle body replacement. Worst case. So, yep, quick update. More to come soon. Appreciate all the love. Take it easy.